Install over. Introduce machine. First part, before plug power. Handle. 3 wheels. Right white wheel is the press wheel. Others for supporting and working. Handle. Adjust working direction during welding. Nozzle. Has hot wind out during working. Air input. Clean it timely. Can keep heat gain lifetime longer. Rolling handle. Roll handle can make heat gain on different state. Working knob. Touch it. Machine can work. Second part. Plug power. Plug power. Open power. Heat gain work. Nozzle has wind out. LED light. Working either in dark. Laser line. Keep it parallel with machine. Make welding more accurate. Temperature set. Factory setting is 318 degrees. Up triggering is ideal temperature. Down triggering is reduced temperature. Heating switch. Open it. Machine start to heat. After about 16 seconds, actual temperature and the setting temperature will reach almost same. Wind speed switch. Range from 1 to 3. Big number, strong wind. Working speed switch. Range from 1 to 9. Big number, fast speed. Reset button. On heating state, machine can enter dormant state if no use in 5 minutes. Press reset button. Machine back to work state. Work over. Close power. Close machine. Turn off heating switch firstly. When actual temperature below 15 degrees, turn off power.